Righto, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. Today we're heading up the beach, Double Island Points. Hopefully there's not so many people up there. Hopefully after New Year's everyone felt real hungover and went home. But gonna go get Adam and yeah, head up the beach. Take B80 for a run, see how it goes, do some 4-drive launches, have some fun, hopefully not get defected, and yeah, have a good tour. The creature.
You just don't stop, do you, with the fucking camera and shit?
You just don't stop being a creature.
Yeah, well, I can't help that.
Creature. Oh, you reckon? You can go to TD42?
Yeah!
Oh, TD42. Oh, neg 44s. Oh. TD42.
Going on, mate. Yeah, let's make some coffee.
Oh, look at that thing.
I really wish they had the fucking kayak on the roof. Oh. I fucking love that cruiser. You look at it and you're like... And then you hear it and you're like... Fuck!
Where you come for a driving stupid thing.
Oh. Nice. It's quite nice, actually.
Oh fuck, that ice did not melt at all.
Yeah, that's mint.
Some good ice.
Real kombucha spec.
Christ.
TD42.
Let me just help you, Marty.
Oh, yeah, a bit of leafy mix, mate.
I still have shit.
Yeah, mate.
Nice. What else you got in the goodie bag?
Oh, I've got some.
We didn't leave last night then.
Oh.
At 1 o'clock.
Oh.
Pre-cut onion, because, you know, much easier than cutting it up there.
Oh, nice. Organised.
Pre-cut tomato.
Gross.
You're gross. We got cheese
I got some
in bag,
Nice.
container, so it does not get water.
I bought QP mayo.
Oh, you know who
Nice.
also bought QB mayo?
Not you.
Yeah, me. I bought a whole
I dare you
big
to throw
one.
that one in there. Throw it in the esky.
Fucking.
Oh, nice.
Yeah,
Ultra Sport. That's for
50 plus.
ultra beer drinking.
Oh yeah.
Oh, nice. Got heaps of food.
Oh, you know the key ingredient. Tins are steady. Fucking never go anywhere without these. Cheers.
We also need oil.
Oh. I don't have any of those.
Well, we stop at a servo, we get ice and oil.
I'm gonna go ahead and assume the auto's fine.
This is a fucking TD42. Or a 1HZ. What the fuck? Holy shit.
Got a bit of poke there, mate.
Yeah, got a little bit. Just a little bit there. I hope there's no coughs up there, eh? Guess we'll find out. Oh, Jacko matted up.
Oh, what's going on here, mate?
Yeah, guys, we just had a bit of a disaster. Oh, fucking Adam and Marty in front of us just dropped a whole 10-pack of fucking CC and dries out of the back of the ute all over the road. Oh, they were fucking shit.
Not bad.
Alright, I better go. That was on.
We made it.
a bit high, the old tide. So here we're trying to let the tyres down. Lost the valve out of the tyre and somehow found it again. What are the chances of that? Found the valve in the sand. You.
It's lucky than find a couple of blokes on blokes with some bust ups.
Fucking bust up.
Oh, that's Alex.
Mint. Alright, now to do the other 4 or the other 3 tyres.
Two on there.
Was this the first one and this happened?
So we're just going to recycle this.
Everyone keep your eyes open for flying valves.
I got bogged. And Gary's like, no, we're actually bogged on the radio. We're like, oh, fuck, turn around. And then like, oh, you guys are doing full drive. How do I two-wheel drive? We're free. I was like, fucking hell.
Unreal.
It's going to be such a long trip. And bumpy.
And bump, yeah?
So this is the exact sort of conditions I came up here the first time I finished it, where it melted everything. So
I'll see how good your heat shields work then.
yeah, and all the heat wrapping. It's just insane, ridiculous. Oh, forever. Fuck, that thing's loose.
Just so solid in the rear end.
Yeah, I know.
What a day for it, eh? Beautiful day up here at Double Island. Not bad at all. Wild cruiser repairs. Going well. Dangerous day to be a cold beer. Unless you're Rex and you're driving.
I'm okay with it.
He's having fun.
TD!
Jesus Christ. I chucked it in 2 just for a little bit. I'll show you on some hard sand what it's like in 2.
Okay. It goes better than fucking sand in my house on bloody on the road, mate. Still on the shake to pieces up here.
Yeah. It's losing fuel pressure again. Oh.
But it's doing it in a hurry.
Oh my god. retarded.
So this has all been burnt by fire. Pretty hectic. Ugly. Not good. We're gonna AB, we're gonna turbo the Luxy.
Oh, mate.
Turbo the
This
Luxy!
is so much fun. Holy shit.
Yeah, I give you permission. It's over.
Yes! Permission's granted, it's a done deal.
There you go.
What do you reckon, turbo or LS? What are we gonna do, Alex? Oh, LS!
I reckon it fits the whole pre-runner, you know.
Yeah, if it sounded tough, it would be sick.
Exactly. Holy shit. Here comes in, let's go at him.
Oh, look at this creature! Woo!
Said make your own track, eh?
Yeah, we've been to your place with Alex, and you're around Yeah, that's right.
Hey!
Fuck, this is going to be a test of the old fucking cooling system.
We'll see how cool it gets. How cool it stays.
Cool as a
Cucumber. Oh man, I can't even hold my arm steady at all.
shit too pissed cunt.
Is it only 60?
Yeah.
Feels so much.
Wow, that's wheel speed.
Yeah.
Feels ridiculous, eh? I feel like you should do like the fucking. What's that? Oh shit.
Fucking bastard!
Oh, okay. This is getting a bit out of hand. Oh, fuck, look.
Fucking bastard!
Oh, here's a bit of fucking half distance here. We might wait for the other fellas, eh?
Bang!
Bang.
Hold on to your fucking hat. Yeah, just wait it, eh? Yeah, man.
Flex shot.
Oh no.
Oh, yeah, nice. Wow, that looks
I wasn't recording the whole time.
good. Yeah, fuck.
Alrighty, so we've had a bit of a problem. It seems like the TPS is having a bit of a fault. So it seems like as though even though the TPS, even though we're off throttle, the TPS seems to be reading like we're on idle, and it's keeping on changing the timing like it's on ghost cams. So seems to be a TPS issue. That's why it sounds like it's missing real bad. So we're gonna just have to baby it home as it is and see how we go later on. Try and sort it out later.
It is what it is.
Bit of a pain, but anyway, you get that. Alright, so that's what we're gonna have to do. We're just gonna have to fucking like try and baby this home. And hopefully it makes it home and we're all good. So anyway, cheers for watching everyone. And we'll catch you on the next one. Catch you later.